Ever wish you had a simple way to stay organized? Smartsheet.com helps you track projects, manage tasks, and work together with your team all in one place. It's like a super powerful to-do list. Give it a try and see how easy it is to stay organized on top of everything. So hello guys, I hope everything is doing well firstly, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Smartsheet.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Smartsheet.com. This is the homepage as you can see, and then you have just to click over try Smartsheet for free to find other page and you get started with this one. But first let's know what is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a super handy online tool that helps you organize and manage tasks, projects, and teams. It's like a smart spreadsheet that lets you track everything from to-do lists to big project, share updates with others, and stay on top of deadlines all in one place. Perfect for getting things done and working together. Right? So right now let's just come back to the top and let's click on over try for free. Then you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. Just to get started with your work account by just enter your work email address and you click over continue, then it will be appear one page here that you have to add your email address, your name and your last name. Then you add also other things such as your phone number and your continent. Then you click over continue and you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. Here we have welcome. Please check your inbox to activate your account. Confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent to you. So you have just right now to go to your Gmail. Then you will find at a page which is this one. And the Gmail, you have just firstly to dive into mail.google.com. You can just open the application, already have it on your computer. So you'll find here after you're signing up to your email address, and you'll find this email. So it's from Smartsheet. You have just to click over confirm your email address. Then you'll find other page which is this one, and then you have to create your password, and then you have to get started with this one as you can see, and you'll find home page. All right, so here we have it how it looks right now, and then you'll find other page which is this one as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just click over start on your project program or process. But before, let's just discover in here the home page. Then we have here the browse. We have also here resource management and also start a new project program or process. I will show you the step by step how you can use this platform. So to use Smartsheet, you have just to start by creating a sheet to organize your tasks or project. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Use features like checkboxes, status updates, and timelines to track progress. You can easily collaborate by sharing your sheet, adding comments, and getting real-time updates. Plus, Smartsheet lets you automate reminders and workflows to keep everything running smoothly. It's a simple way to stay organized and work together efficiently. Alright, so I'm just right now to click over browse to discover in this one. We have firstly sheets, and then we have here workspace. About the sheet, once you click over it, you'll find here this page. You have just to click over grid in the top right and select if you want a grid, task list, project, cards, pros templates, and import Microsoft Excel, import Microsoft Project, import from Google Sheets, and then we have import from Atlassian Trello, import dashboard, and other things. Then we have here workspaces. Just again to click over create if you want to get started, and about this one you'll find here the button of share. Once you create it and you're done with that, you share it with your friends or other options such as you click over here we have the owner, and then you add here the people and groups that you want, and you start also here if you want admin, if you editor cannot share, commenter, and other things. Then we have also here resource management. About this one, you find your resource planning for every level of your organization, such as if you want to here assign the right people to the right work at the right time, balance workloads, track time with ease, and forecast with confidence. About this first one, you have ensure work is evenly distributed across your teams to avoid burnout. We have track time with ease, see where time is spent, stay on budget, and improve estimates on future work. Then we have forecast with confidence, anticipate staffing needs, and make strategic decisions to improve project execution. Then you click over request trial. You have just to add your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and then we have what's your timeline for implementing resource planning. You have to select your phone immediately, short term, medium term, long term, not sure, or evaluated options are not current plans. Then we have what's your biggest challenge with managing resource. Then you click over submit and you get started with this one, as you can see. All right, so now let's just go to here we have resource management. About then we have also here the important one, which is start a new project, program, or process. Here we have how you can get started. You can choose firstly the platform or the popular template. Then we have also here start from scratch, or if you want also to choose a new workspace starting point like grid, report, form, dashboard, timeline. Again, we have a board as well. Then we have, let's just for example give it a try with popular one. I will just click over create theme or a new template, or you can just copy the link, or if you want to hear notifications and other things. So we'll have here certain app projects. Please stand by while Smartsheet is loading, so let's wait for it. Then you'll find here these pages. You can see you have just to modify those things if you want, and then you click over share on the top right and you get started. You have also here if you want to add other things like that, if you want to sheet, import, dashboard, folder, import, workspace, a new product or process, right? So let's just come back right now, back to template, and let's just click on over start from scratch. About this one, you have just to add your project name, such as for example this one, and you choose a view if you want again, grid or board. Let's select a board for example, and you will click over next, and let's just skip in those, and then build project. We have really successfully built a new project, right? So here we have it right now, and you have just to start modifying and start with this template, and you click over share once you're done, or you can just add if you want and add various things that could help you to modify all listings. And we have also here, if we come back to those, we have for example grid. Let's just choosing a grid for example, and it's the same with this one. So Smartsheet is a powerful yet user-friendly tool that helps you organize, manage projects, and collaborate with ease, whether you are tracking tasks, setting deadlines, or automating workflows. It keeps everything in one place, making teamwork more efficient and less stressful. It's a smart way to get things done and keep your projects on track. So this is how it works with this one. We have also here other options that could help you. For example, here for your account to see, and if you want to upgrade plan and value, if you want to ask for something, if you want to also hear the option of work application, and this one we already work as application as well, and we have here also favorites, recent, then we have a browse, research, and that's it for this one. And this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.